Hey, happy Wins Wednesday again. This is Paula Williams with ABCI, and I wanted to share today a tip that I've been seeing a lot lately, and for good reason, because it's a really good way to help people build credibility with a prospective customer and to show um, the high level of what they do without either overwhelming someone with too much information or giving away the farm, right? Because we all have our secret sauce and our intellectual property that we don't want to give away too much of. What this is a process, and there's a way to do this as a graphic that really makes it super easy for someone to see, what happens from the point at which I give you my money to the point at which I get whatever result it is that I'm expecting. And you don't have to share everything, but if you can share the high level steps of here's how we go about uh, the process of bringing you on board, solving your problem, making you a customer, all of those things, that really is helpful in building that relationship in a way that is making promises and keeping promises. So, that's really what we need to do as marketers, as consultants, as salespeople, as all of those things. So, the first example I wanted to show you is from Jet Values Jeremy. Jeremy Cox in St. Louis. He appraises any kind of aircraft, not just in St. Louis. He goes all over the world to do these things, and he will appraise any kind of aircraft or part of an aircraft or um, museum piece that has to do with aviation, any number of things. He's got a process that really makes that very effective. So, anyway, this is a great step-by-step process of how he goes about getting the results for people who need an accurate valuation of their aircraft. So that's one thing. Another thing is from our course. We actually made this into a cute little video about what our courses are and what results you can expect from each of those. And then we go into each detail, a little bit more detail about each of these steps in our training process for aviation sales professionals. So that's another example of this. I love using Canva, and there are an awful lot of templates in Canva for processes, for timelines, for other things like that, that really help us build these things. So, if you have something like this, or if you don't have something like this, especially if you're in aviation marketing or business to business marketing, um, this would be a really great place to start with your sales materials, showing people how you get from point A to point Z, and, showing the high level steps along the way in a graphical sort of a way. So that's the tip for today. Happy Wins Wednesday. Share your examples of this. If you have something along these lines, I'd love to see it in the comments. Talk to you soon.